6:45 a.m. here in Japan, and it's Thursday. Don't skip your breakfast. I have my karaage, chicken, small amount of rice, because I have macaroni soup, chicken soup with corn. Of course, my coffee and tea, and apple. Stay energetic. Eat your breakfast. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan. See you there. Merry Christmas in advance, and God bless you all.